afternoon from Nairobi. It's 1:33 Nairobi time. Welcome to our second test of matters financial and geopolitical. Welcome. Overnight we had some bomb attacks in Jakarta, which brought some weakness into the Jakarta Stock Exchange and into the rupiah. But I actually think that was a one-off event, hopefully, and expect Indonesia to recover quite sharply from that. We've unfortunately seen a spike in what I would call asymmetric risk. It seems to me that a lot of the Al-Qaeda folk have been pushing themselves to the periphery, so that's something we need to keep an eye on. By the time you probably see that, this Musavi will have made an appearance in Tehran, so we should watch and see how that develops. Clearly it is a signal development. Let's see what that brings. Google reported results. I think there was a little bit of disappointment, but I tend to think that Google has now bottomed. We're going to see a recovery, and I really think they have a wonderful 21st century platform, and we would do well not to underestimate this organization. They're, after all, leveraging intellectual capital, they're leveraging the crowd, and I think we would make a serious mistake to underestimate it. Nokia, on the other hand, were very disappointing. They're obviously seeing a lot of pressure in the commoditized handset business, and we saw a sharp fall, and that sort of took the froth off the markets a little. Crude still hanging in there above $60. I think storage is full. I have a sneaking suspicion we could tumble. I look at it and see all the risk to the downside. I still like the long gold, short crude trade. I think that's got quite a bit in it. Dubai announced that they were going to probably get some support for this 10 billion second tranche of a bond. That's helped EMAR and the index up a little bit, but I think it's more of a relief rally rather than anything else, and I don't expect it to be sustained, especially if the outlook for crude plays out as I'm sort of thinking. Mauritania in Africa has an election coming up. Zimbabwe announced a $1.1 to $1.2 billion government wage bill. And, I think what you're going to find with Zimbabwe, actually, there's going to be an absolute deluge of money. The low base effect, etc., is very, very compelling. In Kenya, the stock market is firm. I'm going to do a second Matters Financial from next week, which will focus more on Kenya and Africa in particular. But again, welcome. I appreciate any feedback.